Welcome back to another episode of Linker Lures. In this episode, I'll be designing, 3D printing, and fishing with a turkey leg lure. Since Thanksgiving is right around the corner, I thought it'd be fun. First, I started with a simple cylinder. All I had to do was bevel the front to smooth it out, extrude out the back, and smooth out the middle to give it that drumstick look. I extruded the rear of it to give it a bone, and then once the bone was extruded out, I just added 2 spheres to give it the joint look. Once I was done adding the joints for the bone, I finished up the design, and it was unmistakably a turkey leg, right? After that, I just had to make a small recess for the hook to fit in, and then it was off to printing. I printed it on high detail in white PLA. Got the turkey leg lure here all printed up, and we're gonna start sanding. Just gonna use 220 grit sandpaper on it again, and let's get started. So after we got the sanding done here, we're just gonna put the hook in here. It's just a little Eagle Claw Aberdeen hook I got. I'm just gonna super glue it in there about like that. I bent the line tie down so that it sticks out, so should be something about like that when I'm done. So we got a little accelerator sprayed on this and it hardened up. I lied about being done sanding. I gotta sand the super glue down now, of course, but once we get that done, she'll be ready to paint. So I got this color mixed up here. It's kind of like an antique white. I don't want it to be too white because I want it to kind of look like burnt bone. So that's why I'm going with this color here. Alright, so I got this brown color mixed up here. Hopefully it looks like nice toasted turkey meat when I get this painted on. Alright, got the brown just about done here. Next, all I gotta do is put on some clear coat and it'll be done. Hopefully it looks like a turkey leg. I just whipped this thing up real quick and hopefully we'll catch some fish with it. Alright, so we're out here this afternoon and we're gonna try to target some bluegill with the turkey leg. I hope they're hungry for turkey. Alright, so we're out here at a different location and let's see if we can catch anything. Got a nice little largie here for this pond. I guess they like turkey. This is also the first fish of the channel too. All right, thanks buddy.